Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, having your own business, content creation, fashion, all the things. And I'm super excited for today's video because today I'm bringing you guys along to pack with me for Colorado. I'm so excited because this week I'm going to visit one of my oldest friends who also happens to be a former client. So it is a pseudo mix of like a business and a fun trip. I'm just so excited
to go visit her in Colorado,
to have some time together, talk about content, talk about business stuff. It's going to be a freaking blast of a trip, and I figured why not bring you guys along as I pack and get ready for it. I just got a haircut, which I'm so freaking excited about, and I'm heading to Colorado on Wednesday. I'm gonna be there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I'm heading back Sunday. And the plan is to do a mix of things. Like I said, we're gonna do some business stuff, we're gonna do some content stuff, we're just gonna relax. She's gonna show me her new house, show me around her neighborhood. I'm really excited. So I already started to lay things out for packing, and the reason I wanted to make this vlog is because I think it is so easy to overpack. But what I am committed to doing is I'm committed to not overpacking. We are going to pack exactly what we need. So let's pack together. So, if you guys know me by now, you know that I swear by lists. So I made my packing list not only to start to write out the Denver content that we plan on making together, but I literally also started to have Denver packing list, and then I went so far as to
really start to break everything down
into the different days of the trip. So we've got like Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're going to a concert on Friday night, so that's also something like I have a specific outfit for the concert in mind. And so yeah, so I have everything laid out. And so what I want to start to do is start to put things in packing cubes. That will be really helpful because one of the things that I know that I want to pack is a pair of Doc Martens. They're going to be really thick and boxy, and I'm like, should I just wear them?
Should I wear them with me for the travel?
I'm really torn on what to do from that standpoint. I know also that I want to bring my Nike Metcons that I'm wearing right now, which I'll actually take off. I know that I want to bring these, and I also know that I want to bring my black high top Converse. I know I'm gonna pack the black Converse without a doubt, but I don't know how I don't know whether I'm gonna wear my Nike Metcons, which would be a million times more comfortable, or if I want to pack them because they're really light and easy to pack. But I'm gonna grab my suitcase so we can get out the packing cubes and start packing. Thumbnail. So, I've got my gorgeous olive green Beis carry-on with me. This is what we're packing in. In terms of my other bag, like my personal item, I don't know whether I'm gonna bring my Beis backpack. I'm kind of leaning towards that, or whether I'm gonna bring my Beis weekender bag. I might freaking bring the weekender, like the full black weekender. I'm not sure yet, but let's start packing. So, as you can see, we've got some toiletry stuff there. I'm gonna keep that there for a minute because I'm gonna focus first on using my packing cubes and getting some of this clothing organized. Got my suitcase here. Got 3 sets of packing cubes, which is great. Gonna start off with this one that I'm gonna do for like workout clothes, socks, and underwear. whenever I'm packing, I'm always also making like last minute decisions about things. So I'm looking through, I've got 3 pairs of leggings, 1 sports bra. I'm only bringing 1 because Jen placed an order. Basically, Jen has 2 sports bras for me at her house.
Then all my underwear.
This is like a workout shirt. Got this shirt as well, which is kind of going to be like workout-ish, but you know what? I'm actually going to keep that with my t-shirt. I was gonna bring this long sleeve, but I'm gonna swap it out for a like zip up or cardigan instead. So I have my workout clothes set out. I've got some leggings, sports bras. I also am gonna pack underwear and socks into this packing cube. I also have 1 sports bra that I'm gonna pack on the top here, but it is still drying.
I did laundry yesterday and prepped for packing for the trip.
So once that is all dry and stuff, I can pack that in here. But I can get in all my socks.
Okay, we might have too many socks. Don't need this one.
Next up, I want to pack some of the bulkier items in here because I want to make sure to really fit in and just pack everything in like a really, really smart and organized way. So I'm gonna grab my jeans and my chunky sweaters
because
I think I'll be able to kind of roll some of those and get them in nice and compact. So I've got a pair of black jeans and a pair of dark jeans, and I honestly don't think I'm bringing any more pairs of jeans than these. I tend to overpack when it comes to pants for trips, like all the time, and one of the things that I've realized is
I'm the kind of person who, like, when I've got a good pair of pants, I could literally wear that pant
3 freaking days in a row. So like Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I could wear just one of these 3 days in a row, but I think bringing 2 is definitely the smart move. I'm really trying to challenge myself to really not overpack if I can. So roll these jeans up, get both jeans in here, and then I'm gonna roll up my 2 big sweaters and get those in here too. Okay, next what I need to pack is I need to like put all of my shirts and stuff into one of these packing cubes, and I also need to pack a like cardigan
sweater of some kind.
Like some kind of a zip-uppy thing. Let me take a look and see what I'm gonna pack. I found a super cute cardigan that I definitely want to pack as my other thing. And then here's where I'm starting to feel torn, is I've got this matching set that I want to wear for like loungewear stuff for when I'm there.
And I'm not sure whether I should just wear it
as the thing that I wear on the plane. That's what I'm leaning towards, so I'm going to keep this on the side for now.
And just pack up
these shirts and stuff, and ideally if I can get the cardigan in. That would be great too. So I have almost everything packed except for obviously my toiletries. I need to wait until tomorrow to pack those. And then I have these 2
little bags
that I'm gonna be bringing with me. This is a bag for the concert, and then this is just like a whatever kind of like going out and about kind of bag. So those are going in there right now. But this side of the suitcase is packed and has literally everything, like all of my clothes, except for this one rust sweatshirt. So this side is all still completely open for me to like pack my makeup, my skincare, and I know that I can definitely fit my Metcons in here. The other really nice thing about using the Weekender bag, if that's what I decide to do, the Weekender has some room for shoes at the bottom of it. So that's really, really nice because
There's a chance then that
if I'm using the Weekender, I don't even then have to worry about getting shoes into the suitcase. So
right now
we're in a really, really good place with packing. All I have right now is this matching
set.
that the more that I think about it, the more that I'm leaning towards just wearing that on the airplane. I just think that that makes the most sense, honestly. So yeah, I still have to pack skincare and all that kind of stuff. So I'll pick this back up when I'm
Finalizing those things, but
my packing list came in clutch because I feel so good about the fact that the majority of all of my clothing is in one side of the suitcase so far. So as I kept thinking about it, I was like, wait, I need to see how well I think the Doc Martens might be able to fit in the suitcase so that I can just get a sense of what I'm doing here. It's just gonna make me feel so much better to start to think how I'm getting all of this packed. So I'm gonna get the Doc Martens and we're gonna see. Here they are. These shoes are so thick and big. And it's not to say that they won't fit, because they will, but it's gonna be a little bit of like origami to try and make this all fit. I'm definitely leaning towards taking the Weekender because it's just gonna make my life a million times easier to be able to throw these in the bottom
of the Weekender
and just not have to worry about it, honestly. I think that's what we're leaning towards. I am gonna go grab it. Ooh, because you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Since I really don't like the thought of packing the Docs in that bag, I'm gonna first grab my mini Weekender. My mom got me a small Weekender, which I don't think is going to fit these shoes, but I wanna try, because if it does,
then I can do the mini Weekender, otherwise I'll do the original.
I believe I've been storing that mini Weekender under the bed. Yes. Show you guys, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So here she is. She matches the other bag perfectly. Super cute, literally obsessed with it. And the best part of the Weekender bag is this bottom part, which unzips for shoes. So what I want to see, oh my gosh, shut up. Oh my freaking God. Okay, these shoes literally, they just fit in here. So this might be freaking perfect because I can definitely easily pack one of the pairs of sneakers in the suitcase. I could throw these in here. And then what I also know works is I know that my laptop fits in this part. So this might actually be freaking perfect. This literally might be perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I think we're going with the matching set for travel. And honestly, I think this is it's a good idea for me to go with this set just to see how it all feels and stuff when traveling, because my mom honestly got me that suitcase and this bag with the intention of me using those two pieces for mine and Matt's Italy trip, which is in July. And honestly, with the exception of this trip to Denver,
The trip in July is the biggest trip
that I've got coming up. So this is a good way for me to do kind of like a little test run as to how it feels to travel with
the big Beis
and my mini Weekender bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, honestly, I gotta wait, hold on. Look at how freaking cute. We've got the suitcase, and here's the coolest thing. So the Weekender has this little zip here so that it can go like this. And just sit right on the suitcase. Oh my God, it looks so freaking good together.
I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay.
This looks amazing. I'm freaking amped. I'm amped. That's what I'm gonna travel with. And all I have to do now is pack up my skincare and makeup.
And and
to pack up like this bag and stuff, but this is all, it's all gonna be so easy now that I don't have to worry about getting those Doc Martens into the big suitcase. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. So, it's the next day, which means I go to Denver tomorrow. So we need to finish packing. So I figured what I would do is bring you guys along to finish off this packing, because what I'm gonna do is do my makeup, and once I'm done with my makeup, then I can actually pack up all of my makeup. And the other thing that I know that I wanna do is I've got
my suitcase here.
and one thing that I know I wanna do, oh hi baby. Hello. What a sweet baby dog. Okay. In addition to packing up my makeup, one of the things that I want to do is pack some, basically I forgot to do one of my like go-to kind of packing best practices when it comes to saving a little extra space. So I'm gonna grab a number of pairs of socks that I'm literally going to pack directly into my sneakers that I'm packing, because that will help to not only preserve the shape of the sneaker, but it actually will also then make this packing cube just a little bit lighter and less thick, because I'll have these socks in some of the sneakers. So I'm taking out my thicker, bigger socks as a way
Of saving space.
and I am literally going to pack these 3, possibly more, directly into those sneakers. So let me do that. So I've got these things packed. I've got basically 2 other makeup bags that are gonna go there. Then that little jewelry holder, which I actually don't even know that I'll need.
But I'm going to
Do my makeup now, because I'm going to pack my makeup in my makeup brushes in here, and my makeup in this thing here, and then in this thing. My makeup is done, which means I can pack up the rest of the suitcase. I've got this makeup bag here, as well as this little bag here that is filled with brushes. And then I've got this bag, which has my like skincare, hair care stuff.
I did a double check of all the brushes.
So we are ready to finish packing. I thought I was just recording for like 2 whole minutes. So I have my makeup bags and everything here to put in the suitcase and get packed in its full form here. Okay, we kind of played a little game of like Jenga to make this all fit. Ah! Oh my God, okay. Woo, camera just fell. But the good news is everything fits, and it literally fits like a freaking puzzle. So what I then can do is I just squished my sweater on the top, and now I just want to make sure that it zips easily. I want to have no freaking problems, because this side feels a little bit thick. So maybe if I can kind of bunch the sweater on this side a little bit. Pills in this thing, but this thing is super round. Oh wait, I might. Oh my God! Okay, I just got all of those pills into that little thing, which actually makes a really big difference to get this entire bottle out of the bag. So now let me see. Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys! I'm all set. I can zip up the suitcase, so that is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so this is the final test. Oh, I almost just twisted my friggin' ankle. Okay. Woo! I am all packed and ready. So I will see you guys in Denver. If you guys liked this pack with me vlog, hit the thumbs up and leave it in the comments what you thought was the best kind of tip that I gave for packing. I hope you guys liked this vlog, because the next one will be coming to you guys from Denver.